Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we confidently consider the best hanging shelves fabric closet organizer currently available, the Max Hauser 6-tier shelf hanging closet organizer. If you're short on closet space or just trying to bring some order to your wardrobe chaos, stay tuned because this could be the solution you've been searching for. Let's start with what sets this organizer apart. At first glance, it might look like your standard cloth hanging shelf, but its build quality and thoughtful design elevate it to a different level. This 6-tier hanging shelf comes in a neutral beige color that blends well with most closet interiors. It measures 12 inches deep, 11.5 inches wide, and stands 42 inches tall when fully extended, making it ideal for maximizing vertical space, especially in smaller closets or RVs where every inch counts. The material used is non-woven fabric, which means it's lightweight yet durable. It's breathable and helps prevent any musty smells from lingering in your clothes or accessories. Each shelf is reinforced to ensure it holds its shape and doesn't sag, even when fully loaded. From bulky sweaters to hats and bags, the compartments can handle quite a bit. One of the strongest features is its hook construction. It uses two sturdy hooks to attach directly to your closet rod. These hooks are not just functional, they're strong enough to support more weight than you'd expect from a cloth-based organizer. That means you can load up each shelf without worrying that the whole thing is going to come crashing down. Now, installation is ridiculously simple. You just unfold it and hang it up. No tools, no instructions, no hassle. And when you're not using it, you can simply fold it flat and tuck it away. This makes it perfect not just for home use, but also for travel. People who live in campers or move between dorms will love how portable and lightweight it is. Looking closer at the design, the open shelf format makes it easy to see exactly what's on each level. Whether you're reaching for your favorite pair of jeans, a stack of t-shirts, or even shoes, everything is visible and accessible. It takes the guesswork out of finding what you need, which also means less time spent getting ready. You can stack more than one side by side or use them in different rooms for different purposes: closets, nurseries, laundry rooms, even offices. It's not limited to clothes. You can store craft supplies, linens, or kids' toys just as easily. It's perfect for anyone with limited closet space or for those looking to stay organized without drilling holes or installing hardware. If you're renting, or if you move often, or even if you just like things neat and accessible, this organizer delivers. To wrap things up, the Max Hauser 6-tier hanging closet organizer combines smart design, durable materials, and ease of use into one super functional product. It's more than just a closet add-on, it's a space-saving powerhouse. That's all for today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest takes on everyday products. See you in the next video.